Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This avoids discovery issues. Next, open Control Center or Settings now so you can act immediately. Tap the screen mirroring or AirPlay icon to view active connections. If no icon appears, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Once you see the target device listed, don't disconnect yet. You're preparing to stop mirroring cleanly to avoid leaving a session open. You should select the active mirrored device in the list so you cut the right session. Then tap Stop Mirroring or the Disconnect option. This explicitly ends the stream and returns video/audio control to your source. Make sure to watch the source screen. It should revert to normal immediately, which confirms the disconnection. If the icon still shows as active, repeat the tap or move to the receiving device to finalize the stop, because partial disconnects can persist otherwise. If stopping from the source fails, you can open the receiving device's casting app or settings and manually disconnect the session. You'll regain control that way. If the session remains stuck, restart Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and if needed, reboot one device. That clears lingering network sessions. Finally, make sure both devices run current software because bugs can cause automatic reconnections. If problems continue, update the OS or app, and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.